Previously on It's Train's Life. Hey guys, we are in Clayton, New Mexico, and we are on our way to Colorado Springs. And that is the Capulin Volcano National Monument located in the northeastern part of New Mexico.
We are almost in Colorado, and I can feel that we are going up. Yeah, so it's beginning to look more like Colorado already. And yes, yeah, I will be updating you all when we are already in Colorado Springs. Okay, guys, see you later.
We are finally here in Colorado Springs, and we are visiting one of the most popular landmark, which is the Garden of the Gods.
Hey guys, we are back in the car from Garden of Gods, and we are gonna leave Colorado Springs for Denver in like an hour maybe. We will go to eat our lunch in a restaurant and also use the restroom. Yes, it was a nice, hot, very sunny walk in the Garden of Gods today, but we still took pictures and I vlogged a little in there, guys. Okay, so I will be updating you all later when we are on our way to Denver or when we are already in Denver. Okay guys, see you later. Hey guys, we are now on our way to Estes Park. It will take about an hour to get there. We are making sure that the sun is still up until we arrive to our destination, which is our hotel. It's called Discovery Lodge. Time check 6:21 p.m. Mountain Time here, and yes, the sun is still up, and yes, I think I'm not sure what we are gonna do when we get there. Maybe for sure check in the hotel, and I think it will be dark already when we arrive at the hotel, but definitely I will update you later, or I will see you all tomorrow, guys. Oh, I will also show you the hotel later if I have time, because we are so tired right now, guys. Yes, see you later. Hey guys! Yes, we are here at our hotel in Estes Park, and the hotel is called Discovery Lodge. And now we are getting into our hotel. This is such a beautiful place, guys. Very nice. Okay, now guys, we are inside the hotel or the lodge, and it's past 7 p.m. Okay, so I will show you again. I will show this room again tomorrow morning, because I think in the morning is much better. This is a beautiful room, guys, and I think we paid about 160 something a night for this, so we're gonna be staying here for 2 nights. This is the king bed right here, and the rest, okay, we're gonna check the bathroom later. And we're having this beautiful view, guys, from our lodge, and that's the mountain view. Okay, so this is our balcony. I think we can get to the balcony, and that is the mountain view right there. So beautiful. Oh my god. Okay, let's check the mountain view. This is it. Okay, so this is our view, guys. So beautiful. Look. Oh my god. This is Discovery Lodge here in Estes Park. This is our room right here, guys. So I will be taking you all again here tomorrow at the balcony. For now, let's get in. And yes, we're gonna freshen up, rest for tomorrow. We're gonna go to the Rocky Mountains National Park tomorrow, but before that, we're also gonna go and look around the Estes Park, take a lot of pictures. And yes, guys, I will be updating you again tomorrow. So yes, thank you so much for watching, everyone. Wait, okay, that's me right there. Yes, I'm using my stabilizer. Okay, so I will see you all again tomorrow, and I will give another hotel or lodge tour tomorrow morning, guys. So yes, it's time for us to rest, because this is such a long day. We have been driving for about 10 hours maybe from Amarilli, so we need a rest, and maybe we will eat a little. I will see you all again tomorrow. We are going to the Rocky Mountains and also see around Estes Park, guys. Alright, thank you so much for watching. I will see you tomorrow. Bye!